Hey, what's going on everybody? Steve's here, back again. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of the Elvid Fieldvision 4K on-camera monitor. That's this right here. I purchased this a couple of days ago, it just came in. I've been buying a lot of equipment lately, so I'm going to unbox it all here. The main reason why I need this screen is because when I'm shooting with my Canon M50 that's on the tripod right now, it has an articulating screen so I can see myself while I'm shooting. My main camera is the Sony a7 III, and as you can see, this camera does not have a flippable screen. That's all it does. It pops out and that's about it. So with that in mind, I needed to get an external screen so I could shoot with this on a tripod and shoot video with this when I don't have anyone here to hold the camera for me. So I purchased the Elvid. And now let's just get right to it. I'll unbox it and show you what it's all about. Alright, let's get right into it. Like I said, it came today, the Elvid Fieldvision 4K on-screen monitor. I'll be using this with my Sony a7 III, but that is for another day. Today I'm just going to do an unboxing, and then at the end I'll connect it and I'll probably show you a picture. But oh, I want to show you the setup right now. As you can see, let me just get into some video mode here for you guys. 4K. Alright. As you can see, I have my Canon M50 with the articulating screen right there. So it flips forward so I could do this video. The a7 III doesn't have that. I don't know of many Sony cameras that do. So we have to go this route. Let's unbox. Okay. First we have something in plastic that I do. Oh, this is probably the screen that covers it. So it goes around the actual screen. Kind of like a light filter. So it comes from the top and the sides. We have the user manual. And then, of course, we have the screen. I'll take the plastic off in a second. And under the screen is the wiring. So this looks like HDMI to maybe micro HDMI. Looks like a mount adapter. And what do we have here? Probably screws and stuff. Oh, another like a cold shoe mount, which I just bought 2 of these, so now I have another one. Now I have 3. And this probably is what the screen mounts to with this portion. Probably sticks in there. So once I put it together, I'll take a picture and show you. Like I said, this is going to be a quick unboxing. And this is a 7-inch screen. I don't think it's a touch screen. Well, on the box it says it comes with the 7-inch monitor, the Sony L series battery mount. Oh, that's right. You could connect a battery to this to power it. It also has a DC input. So you have 2 options. My battery comes in next week. It has the shoe mount ball head, which I showed you, the mini HDMI to HDMI cable, HDMI lock collar, the sunshade mounting frame. So that is this. This is probably the sunshade mounting frame. The sunshade, which I was correct, is in the plastic. And the user manual, which I showed you. So I'm really looking forward to this. Oh Lord. Because eventually, once I have everything connected, I will have it mounted right here. And that's pretty much it. So I will now post some pictures with it all attached to my camera, and I will leave a link below where I got it from. Please like, subscribe, leave any comments in the comment section below. You can find me on Twitter at Strange177A. You can find me on Instagram. My name there is 31photography, THREE, the number 1 photography. And then you can follow me and bin on our channel, Tech Guys Chronicles. All this information will be below. And I hope everyone has a great rest of the week. I'll try to post this one maybe over the weekend, but I think I have another lens unboxing tomorrow. So I'll talk to you all soon. Peace.